Now our last chapter, our next chapter, topic 9 in senior 2 is about rotation. Rotation, the competence is the understands and applies rotation as transformation. Then learning outcomes, we have determined the center of enlargement and the angle of the center and the angle of rotation, which I'm going to focus in this OOI. There are 5 learning outcomes, but you can give more than one AOI to explore all. So the task we have here is, in a village, the students starts with a rectangle at points 1, 1. So they give us a rectangle at 1, 1. This 1, 1, this was A. Then 1, 4, sorry. 1, 4. 1, 4 there. Then we had also 4, 1, which was our B. 4, 1, so this is B. Then we had the 4, 4, which was our C. So 4, 4, this was our C. This was our D. Then they told us that it was rotated to negative 1, 1. Negative 1, 1. So probably this was our A prime. Then negative 1, 4. Our B prime, negative 1, 4. This is our B prime. Then negative 4, around there, which was our C prime. Then we had also D, negative 4, 1. Negative 4, 1, around there. This is our D prime. They want us to get the center and the angle of rotation. What we do? We first get our squares or our figures, the shapes, Okay, sorry, because I don't have a graph, so some may be on calculators. Okay, so that was the first. Remember, rotation, we don't change the shape. The shape remains the same. What changes is just the position of the shape. So that is now our new model. But now, what we are going to do is to find now, we are going now to find the center of rotation and then the angle of rotation. What we do, we join any two points to the object and its image. The first one I have is this one. So I join this. I join now B to B prime. Then I can get any. Then I join it to its corresponding coordinates. So I join the B to B prime. Then I can also join D to D prime. Maybe, let me use this. D to D prime in that order. So let me join these two. Now this is D to D prime. Then after that, now if it was enlargement, just where they meet would have been the center of enlargement. But in notation, you go on to bisect those two. So you bisect this, and this, you bisect them. So you do your bisector there, and also the side. Then put there, draw an arc there, and also there. Then also come to this line here. You also bisect it. This one here should be a bit shorter, so that you there and somewhere there. Then you got the other line there. You also bisect it there and also there. So I have to readjust this so that I can reach. It was there, right? Yeah. So now those are the ones I have. Then after, I join them. This is where those perpendicular bisectors are going to meet. Now in rotation, that's the further thing you do. So this is here, I think around there. dotted. Then also I join this to this, which is going to be around there. Now where our these bisectors means that now these two bisectors, this one, this bisector, and this one, they are meeting here. So this one becomes the center of rotation. So now our center of rotation is the origin. Center of rotation is the origin at 0, 0. Then I come to measure the angle of rotation. Now the angle of rotation, you be a bit careful. The angle of rotation, what you do, you join this B to the, you join the B, or, okay, you join B to the center of rotation like this. B to the center of rotation. Then also join the image of B to the center of rotation. So I also join B to the center of rotation. Now I'm going to measure this angle here. This angle I'm going to, remember, I first join this to this, then I also join this to this. Then I'm going to measure that angle that is formed. Now you see that we are, remember, we are moving the object to the image. So meaning we are going from the object, we are going this side to the image. So meaning we are going anti-clockwise, meaning that our angle of rotation, first of all, is positive because of that idea. If it was, maybe B was there and B prime was there, when we are going this side, then it would have been a negative. So then you get your protractor so that you can measure it with ease. So now when I come and I measure my angle, here you see that my angle of rotation is 90. So the angle of rotation is 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise. Why? Because it's that we are moving in that direction there. So that's how we handle the rotation part of it. Let us see the next chapter.